Learn to crochet the chain stitch with the American Crochet Association. For this tutorial, we need to start with a slip knot. Hold your yarn and your hook however you're most comfortable. Just make sure your hook is always facing downward, like so. Loop your yarn around your hook and pull it through the loop. That's one chain. Loop your yarn around your hook, pull it through, 2 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count the front of our chains just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. And now the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for learning with the American Crochet Association.